It's not a new thing anymore, as AI is now taking over the world. A lot of YouTube channels are now using AI to promote their brands, promote their channel, and to do a lot of things. And this is very good, most especially for those who are interested in creating content but don't want to show their face. This opportunity is for you. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how you can create your own talking avatar right from your phone. And guess what? You are going to be needing just only 2 applications. If you are new to my channel, I'm Janet. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please kindly do that now. And before we go, thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you to all my viewers. I love you so much. Thank you for supporting me. Let's dive right into the video. Now open up your browser and write in the search bar, search for Microsoft Bing Image Creator. The link is right here. So I'm just going to click on it now. And it's going to pop up this page. Click on this first link right here. And this page is going to pop up. Now click on Join and Create. Then sign in with your personal account. After clicking on it, the next page you are going to see is this one. Click here to create an account with them. Since I've already created an account with them, I'm just going to log into my account with my Gmail. So this is my Gmail I'm typing, and you click on enter. They've sent me a code, and I'll wait for the code. Right here my code is. I'll click on my Gmail account and open it. My code is right here. So I'm just going to copy my code and go back and paste it right here. After pasting it, click on sign in rather. After signing in, they are going to ask you if you want to stay sign in. You can either choose no or yes. For me, I'll just go with yes, so that if I'm coming back, I don't have to be signing in. Now, right here, if you don't have any prompt idea in your head, you can click surprise me, and the AI is going to surprise you with a prompt. In the right corner, you will see 15 coin. When you sign up with them, they will give you 15 coin daily to be able to generate images. So in this text box, this is where we are going to post the prompt that we use in generating the image, and down here are all their own default images. So what I'm going to do now is to go to my notepad and copy my text, and it's right here. So I'll copy the first one. I have tons of them written here already. I'll also drop them in the description box for you to be able to use. So I'll copy it and go back here and paste it here. And the next thing you are going to do is to click on create. While this is loading, please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, kindly do that. Thank you. And now the images are ready. I think out of all of them, this is the one I like the most. So you click on it and you long press on the screen for the image on anyone you like, and right here is going to save into your photos, or you click here and you will download it to your phone. So open your Play Store or your App Store and search for this application, Dub or whatever it is called, Lab, and search for it. I have it already, so I'm not going to download it, but for you, you are going to click on Get, and for Android users, you will click on Download. After downloading it, open it up and you are going to see this page. So click on Profile so that we can create an account with them. So you can either create an account with your Gmail, with your Apple ID, or Facebook. But for me, I'm just going to go ahead and create an account with my email, and I will create password. After creating an account, a code was sent to me. So I'm just going to enter the code now, and you click on Verify Now. And it's going to load for a while, and your account is going to be verified. So after that, you're going to click on this plus sign, and you're going to select your age range, and you click on Continue. So you're going to be asked what you'll be using this application for. So go ahead and pick the one that matches your profession and hit enter. And they're asking me again what kind of content I want to create. So I'll go ahead and pick social media. Of course, that is what I'm creating this content for. So hit on social media and click on submit. So from here, you're going to click on, is either you generate your avatar. From here, these are different avatar you can generate. You You can use this to generate, and it's going to, one generation will cost you 2 credits. So you can write your prompt here to generate your avatar. But since we've done that already, we are just going to go back, and right here we'll upload our image. So I'm going to be using this particular image. I think I like this one. So you see, select more photo or keep current. I'll just keep current. I mean, I don't want to give this app access to all my pictures or all my phone. Then you click on next, and right here we are going to add audio. If you want to remove the watermark, if you click on it to remove the watermark, these are the options you will be given. If you are okay with it, you can upgrade to remove their watermark. If you want to add subtitle, of course you need to upgrade to be able to add subtitle, but to add subtitle is not that hard. We can always do that in CapCut. So right here you click here to add your audio. Here you can do AI voiceover. You can add your own audio file if you have it already on your phone. You can do video file, and this app will automatically remove the audio, or you can do recording from here. So for me, I'm just going to go with record. So you now click on this microphone. Hi beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create talking avatar. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do like, share with your friends and family. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. So right now I'm done doing my recording, and what you're going to do, you can click here to preview it, and if you don't like it, you can click this restart to start again. And so you click on done, and it's going to upload your file. So the next thing we are going to do is to make talking photo, make the photo to talk. So you click here to make talking photos, and it's going to sync the lips together with the audio. And this is going to take a while to load. It's still processing. It takes around 10 minutes to process a 1 minute clip. So let's see. While it's processing, you can see right here I have 6.4 credits remaining. So if you want to increase this credit, all you just need to do is to watch page ads. Right here you click on it. So let's click on it to watch paid ads. So once it's done, just click that place to cancel, and you can see from 6.4 we now have a whole 1 credit added to it. So that is how you can add more to your credit. And right now our video is ready. What you're going to do is to now click on it, this download button here, and you're going to click done, and your video is going to be saved to your phone. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please kindly do that now. And before we go, thank you to all my subscribers, thank you to all my viewers. I love you so much. Thank you for supporting me.